I think everyone has a journey to being a free. To living life on their own terms. It's not always easy. It takes guts to walk away from what's safe and familiar. But somewhere along the way, you realize freedom isn't just about quitting the 9 to 5. It's about choosing passion over fear, choosing your dreams over comfort. To escape the limits of their imagination and chase something larger than themselves. Start looking for your freedom before it is forbidden. Making money without doing evil.